October is Financial Planning Month. Why is it important? Because we need to think about our future. Think about estate planning documents, income during retirement, taxes, and your legacy. And most important, we're going to make it simple with a new document that you can download. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, let's get started. Hello, this is Michael Loftus with Wealth and Wisdom TV, where education is the key to a successful financial future. First up, don't forget, click Show More for additional information and links. That's where we'll have that brochure from today's video. Also, if this is your first time here, I am a practicing advisor. We do market updates, educational videos like this as well. So if you find some value, please do consider subscribing. So October is Financial Planning Month. Very important. It is 50% of our business. We do our wealth management and we do planning. That's how important it is to what we do, but is it important to you? As I said in the opening, what is it about, right? It's creating a roadmap to your future, making sure you have your will or trust documents, income taxes, legacy. Okay? Now, the thing is, I tell clients all the time, it is a living, breathing document. Market changes, your lifestyle changes, things happen, right? So we're always updating that and making sure that we're on target. So let's quickly go through some high-level points. All right, let's start with wills and trust estate documents. 56% of Americans don't even have a will, and that's a pretty simple document. So what would that do? Number one, name an executor. Number two, handle any guardianship issues. Direct distribution of your assets, where your assets, jewelry, etc., goes through. Now, the problem with the will is it goes through probate, costs money, okay? Number two, it then becomes public so that snoopy little neighbor of yours can look up everything that they see at the county level. The other thing is wills can be contested.
Show me the money.
So yes, in circumstances there's not a lot of assets, that does make sense, but understand some of the risk associated with that. Then you have a trust, okay? A trust is going to avoid probate, so it's not going to be public record, okay? It's going to handle effective management and distribution of all your assets, provide some control of beneficiaries, okay, are difficult to contest. Now, again, don't forget, we have a link below, brand new brochure on this topic. So there's a lot there. I'm not going to get into it here, but that brochure will definitely help you. So the next thing is income distribution during retirement. This is always very important. So what are your sources of income? IRA, 401k, 457, etc. You might have a Roth IRA, Social Security, pension, okay? Now, when we do a financial plan, one of the things is when we project at a percentage. Now, CNBC, Jim Cramer, they talk about 7 to 10% a year. That's just not true. I have a link here in a video I did refuting those facts. Okay, so we have to be careful when we do our plan, do realistic numbers, okay? So once we have our income sources, taxes. Number one question, where should I take income from when I retire? My answer, it depends, okay? It depends where you are. Are you pre-70 and a half, where you've started R&D, required minimum distribution? Okay, what are your different sources of income? And then we can look at the overall tax situation and determine the most tax efficient way. This is definitely something we do with advisors. I don't see a lot of accountants do this. We actually just got new software in this to help us out. Now this year, 2020, we don't know yet about 2021. It was interesting because you did not have to take required minimum distribution. So folks that were still taking income, we stopped that. Maybe they had an asset that had long-term capital gains on an asset, which is less than taxes out of an IRA. So again, it depends on where we are in time and your different options. Now, legacy, okay? Again, how do we prepare for passing on your assets in the most tax efficient way? Life insurance is something that's real important. We talk about long-term care, which is going to protect, hedge your dollars. Now, a lot of this has changed this year because of some new rules, specifically as it pertains to the IRA. We used to have what's called stretch IRA. That is no longer. So now, insurance is important if you have a big IRA to reduce that tax burden over time. So let's bring it all together here, right? Importance of a financial plan. Roadmap to your future. We need it. We want it. Gives you a little bit of peace of mind. We'll make sure that those estate docs are set up properly. Income. Income is part of the wealth management process. Where do we take that income in a tax-efficient way? So taxes is important during retirement and our legacy process when we're trying to pass. And this is ongoing and changing, like I said. So to help you, we have a brochure below. When you click, it'll take you to a site where you can check out the brochure, download it. Also, schedule a 15-minute complimentary call with me. All right. Also, as part of this program for this month, which normally costs $3,000 for a financial plan, we are charging just $9.99. So click, give us a call, check out our website. Thank you for watching. Michael Loftus, Loftus Wealth Strategies, and Wealth and Wisdom TV.